Hi, my name is Denise Wade, and I am the Master Plan Special Projects Manager for the Fresno Metropolitan Flood Control District. The key aspect of the Master Plan Department is to manage the district's urban storm drainage master plan for over 150 drainage basins and area pipeline systems. Designing a storm drain system is like creating a roadmap for rainwater. It starts by studying the land, looking at elevations and planned land use, and how water naturally flows across the area. From there, we calculate how much water to expect during the storm, like a 2-year event, and we use computer models to simulate how the water will flow. Based on these results, we design a system of pipes, inlets, and manholes and basins to safely route stormwater. Plans are reviewed internally and coordinated with city and utility agency before construction begins. Once built, the system is tested and inspected to make sure everything functions as designed. Natural infiltration lets rainwater soak into the ground through soil and landscaping. Traditional concrete systems such as street gutters and storm drains are designed to quickly move stormwater away from the streets and buildings to nearby basins. The district prioritizes natural infiltration within the basins because it offers long-term benefits, such as recharging the underground water supply, and even improves water quality by naturally filtering out pollutants before they reach the groundwater. Our first priority is protecting Fresno and Clovis communities from flooding. That's why we designed stormwater basins, to safely collect runoff during storms. But many of our basins serve a dual purpose. They recharge groundwater and provide recreational space, like for parks or sports fields during the dry season between May and November. We designed them with 2 levels in mind: upper level for community purposes and deeper area for flood control. By coordinating with city agencies, we make sure safety and function are built into every basin. It's a smart shared solution, providing both public safety and community space. On the ground, major improvements are happening at Frontier Creek Detention Basin to boost stormwater management and groundwater recharge. We've also completed 2 projects. We've constructed 2 pump stations and canal connections, allowing surface water to be routed into the basins during the dry months. Looking ahead, we are preparing to expand our boundaries for future growth as dictated by City of Fresno and Clovis planning. This will ensure that new development includes flood control infrastructure from start to finish. Many of our flood control basins have remote monitoring systems that track water levels in real time. This helps us respond faster during storms and manage groundwater recharge more effectively. We maintain over 150 storm drain basins with regular upkeeps, checking for erosion, debris, or anything that could affect performance. We also count on the public to help us out. If you see any illegal dumping, broken fences, or anything unusual, please let us know. Together, we can keep our basins functioning as they should and protect neighborhoods and protect our water supply. Protecting the public during storms starts well before it rains. We reduce flood risk by requiring buildings be built at least 1 foot above major storms, and by designing systems to limit pooling to no more than 18 inches. Before the storm, our team prepares by emptying out the basins, cleaning inlets, and deploying field crews if necessary. We use real-time telemetry and rainfall tracking to monitor conditions to keep the system running. This reduces flooding rates and protects the community throughout the storm. When an unexpected storm hits harder than forecasted, our teams move quickly into response mode. Anywhere from staying in close communication with the city or the county agencies to address any flooding concerns. We also monitor flood areas and checking of our basin levels, making sure key drainage systems are working properly. That can mean sending crews out to clear inlets, check pump stations, or respond to areas where water is building up. Unlike some places that rely mostly on imported water, the Fresno-Clovis area depends on a mix of surface water from the snowmelt and local groundwater. That's why managing water here isn't just about saving water during the droughts. It's also about capturing stormwater when it rains. Our basins not only prevent flooding, but they help refill the water aquifers that supply most of the drinking water. So when you see water sitting in a basin, especially after a storm or during a dry season, it's actually recharging our groundwater supply and helping secure our water future.